Having a life coach or a counselor helps because it's someone that you can tell about your personal problems so that when you're at school, you can focus and they know what you're going through so they can work your schedule around your outside life so that your experience for getting your education is better. The Excel Center makes it possible for me to gain my high school diploma because they offer assistance with transportation and they offer free childcare and they allow me to go at my own pace.
The Excel Center understands that you can't separate the needs of the family and the needs of the education.
The classroom environment is very hands-on. Everyone works at their own pace, but no one gets left behind.
The Excel Center is more family-oriented and it's real calm and easy to learn here. The coaches and teachers are right there to help you.
But what I really like about the Excel Center is the fact that they can help you on a personal issue. I feel safe here.
One of the best things about the Excel Center is definitely the teachers. The teachers are totally understanding. If you need a tutor, they will get you a tutor.